Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of PD 2 Minutes. Today we will be discussing a question on Article number 356 of Indian Constitution. I'll give you some time, try to mark the correct answer. So now let's discuss our question. Consider the following states of India: Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Telangana. Now question is saying how many of them have been brought under the President's rule under 356 of Indian Constitution. So let's discuss each state one by one. Chhattisgarh. So the beauty with Chhattisgarh is that it has been having a very stable government since inception in 2000. So in year 2000, three states were born: Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, and Jharkhand. Chhattisgarh from Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand from Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand from Bihar. So all these three states were born in 2000. But only Uttarakhand and Jharkhand have been brought till now in president's rule. Okay, and Telangana was born in 2014. But till date, Telangana has not been brought under the president rules. Now, what is president rule? If under certain condition there is assembly, no person is able to form government, or there is complete breakdown of machinery, so the governor of state can request the president of India to bring president rules in the state, and through which all the constitution power becomes into the hand of president of India. All the state machinery's power comes into hand of the president, and president assigned that power to the governor of the state. So under 356, only Uttarakhand and Jharkhand have been brought till date. Chhattisgarh and Telangana have been having a pretty decent government with a comfortable majority. So our answer becomes only 2. So those of you who have marked option B, many congratulations. For more such video, follow PD 2 Minutes.